right, now we're going to learn the basic beat. Okay, so the basic beat that drummers need to know is play the kick and the hi-hat at the same time. One time, go, done. Now you're going to play the snare and the hi-hat together, but not the kick. Together, ready, and kick high, snare high, kick high, snare high, kick high, snare high. You don't always have to bring your hand back. I'm just doing it to show you when not to use your hand. So it's the kick and the high, the snare and the high, the kick and the high, the snare and the high. So it's going to be kick and high, snare and high, kick high, snare high, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare. Yeah. All right. So this time we're going to do the same thing, but I want you to think about focusing on the kick and the snare. The hi-hat's just going to keep playing. No matter what happens, the hi-hat plays with each one of them. So all you really have to focus on is whether it's the kick or the snare time. Okay? Don't even have to think about that hi-hat. It's just going to keep playing. Ready, start with kick, kick, snare, 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 kick, snare. That's called the basic beat. We're going to do that again. Keep focusing on your kick and your snare, separating those two, alternating those two, and I'm going to count to the number 4. Okay, starting on number 1 is going to be your kick. Ready, and 1. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, wait, you know what? This is the same as when we first started and we were just doing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the hi-hat just plays with each one of them. Oh! Still focus on alternating the kick and the snare. And remember, the hi-hat just goes. No matter what happens, you just keep playing that hi-hat. Okay? Ready, and kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and stop. Great. One more time. Try to make all of your movements smaller. 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and stop. That's called the basic beat.